Today we'll draw this keyboard icon in Figma. Let's go. Take rectangle and press Shift and Option. Draw the rectangle from here like this. Make it wider. Add stroke, remove fill, and this to center. Stroke value 1.5 pixels and radius value to 2. Move it down. Press P for pen tool so we can draw the line, the cable. And now let's select these points and radius value to 1. Now press P for pen tool so we can draw the space bar. Alright. Now let's draw the key. One more here and one more here. Yeah, I think, and we are done. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and goodbye for today.